Ain Dubai, the world's tallest observation wheel, held the title for reaching a staggering 250 meters upon its opening in October 2021. Today, with 360 degrees traveling, we are sharing our experience of Ain Dubai. So, buckle up and join us on a breathtaking journey aboard Ain Dubai, the world's tallest observation wheel. But before that, support us to grow by subscribing. Located on Blue Waters Island, it offered breathtaking 360-degree views of Dubai's skyline, coastline, and iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and Burj Al Arab. Towering 250 meters on Blue Waters Island, it offered unparalleled 360-degree vistas. Imagine gliding in one of the cabins, enjoying a leisurely 38-minute journey. It consists of 48 double-glazed, air-conditioned capsules, each capable of accommodating up to 40 passengers. The cabins can hold up to 1,750 visitors in total. As the wheel rotates, Dubai's cityscape unfolds beneath you in a mesmerizing 360-degree panorama. Spot the iconic Burj Khalifa piercing the clouds, marvel at the man-made wonder of Palm Jumeirah, and admire the architectural marvel of Burj Al Arab. Ain Dubai offers a range of experiences tailored to suit various preferences and occasions. From leisurely sightseeing to romantic dinners and corporate events, the observation wheel provides a versatile setting for both locals and tourists. The admission ticket to Ain Dubai costs $35. Ain Dubai promises an unforgettable experience, allowing you to witness Dubai's breathtaking beauty from a truly unique perspective. Stay tuned with 360 degrees traveling and support us by subscribing. See you again!